Hey everyone, we are in Brooklyn today. We're going to be going to the DJI event. I was lucky to be invited through Women Who Drone. I'm going in place of the founder, Elena, and I'm very grateful for her for giving me this opportunity to go to the DJI event. And this event is actually supposed to be for the Mavic Pro 2. It's actually going to be two models. It's going to be the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro. I am going to just take a look at what it is. I am very tempted to buy the Pro, but I should really wait to see what kind of tech specs there are. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to network with a lot of different people today, those who are on YouTube or DJI, etc. So keep watching, and I hope you guys will like this inside look at the DJI event for the Mavic 2 Pro as well as the Zoom. So it looks like the event is at the Brooklyn Navy Yard. I actually walked in through one of the entrances, and it turns out it was actually on the other side. So now I'm actually walking back to the other end where there was an entrance that I saw. So now I walked an extra like 20 minutes for no reason. So I should be there soon. One of the guards was actually nice enough to tell me where to go. So I should be there in like 2 minutes, he said, and I'm pretty excited. So here we are. This is the Dougal, or I think it's Dougal, greenhouse where the DJI event is going to be held. And we're gonna go inside because registration starts in about 10 minutes. I thought I was gonna be late, but I'm just on time. So here we are inside the event. This is the main stage, and there are actually already a lot of people here. I'm going to slowly turn around. And as you can see, there are actually a lot of seats here. And this is all going to be for those who are invited. And then the first row, where there's like a white kind of paper, that is for the media. So I'm going to be sitting on the second row because I am not media. Actually, my bag is right there. And I am actually here with another member of the drone group.
This is the DJI Mavic 2 series. They come with your choice of 2 camera options, and they're the most technologically advanced consumer drones we've ever made.
am home now and I am going to open up the swag box and then talk a little bit about what I thought about the two drones. So this was the swag box that was actually given to all the attendees of the event. We also got these little rubber bracelets, as well as a lanyard. Oops, that's my Metro card. A lanyard with a VIP card on there. The box is kind of heavy. I don't know what's in it. Other than the lanyard in the box, they also gave us a 32 gig SanDisk card for us to use when we want to fly the drone, and we can actually keep our footage from the test flights. So here we go. Here is the box. Push it over to the side. This sounds like there's several things in here. And if I can open up this box. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time. Okay. It's pretty nice. Oh, that's so cool. I'm assuming every time you lift it, it makes the sound of the DJI drones. Here is a plastic paper divider with the DJI brand and two black boxes. Let's see what's inside. Inside this box, it looks like a red bag. I'm not sure exactly. I think this is a school bag. I've definitely seen something like this before. Oh, nice. It is a foldable bag. It is red and black, same colors as my bracelets. And the bottom has like a very rubber feel, and the top is a nylon feel. Inside there is that little bag, and that's it. So that's number one. Number two, you know, I secretly hope that this is some kind of coupon where I would be able to buy the Mavic 2. Oh, a water bottle. And inside the water bottle, is there something in there? Nope, just silica gel. So, DJI branded water bottle. That's pretty cool, that's very nice. Pretty spiffy. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, it probably goes inside. I don't know, I'll figure that out later. Okay. So let's move everything aside and let's talk about my thoughts. So this was the first launch event that I actually went to, and I'm very grateful for Women Who Drone for giving me this opportunity to go. I went there pretty early and I just wanted to go and take it all in and see, you know, who I can network with, and I was able to speak with several people from different YouTube channels at the event. And here are actually my thoughts about the two drones. So there are two new versions of the Mavic. You have the Mavic Zoom and the Mavic Pro 2. With the Mavic Zoom, you are able to zoom from, I believe, 24 to 48 millimeters. So that is the range. And with the Zoom, you are now able to use a quick shot called dolly zoom. You can do this right now with your Mavic or whatever drone footage you have. However, you are doing it digitally, which means that you are losing information. With the optical zoom on the Mavic Zoom, you are able to have full resolution while you're zooming in on your subject, and it's great for, you know, nature photography if you want to get a nice close-up of an animal but you don't want to disturb them. So that was one of the examples given for the Mavic Zoom. For the Mavic Pro, which has the 1-inch Hasselblad sensor, I believe that is geared towards a person who is into still photography, landscapes, cityscapes. If you want more control over your color, if you want better low light photography, noise control, more megapixels, the Mavic Pro is for you. I do a lot of cinematic video, And I personally will actually buy the 1-inch sensor, even though yes, I can use the zoom to its full potential, mainly because even though I do video, deep down I am a photographer and I just can't give up a 1-inch sensor. I can't tell you which one to buy, but it depends on what your style is. If you want more creativity with your YouTube videos or just videography in general, the zoom would be great. For still photography, landscapes, if you love just posting pictures to Instagram, maybe the Pro would be for you. The zoom would work just as good, but because you have a larger sensor, you're able to do more low light photography as well as just having more color control in your photos. And that's great because then you can really make your photos stand out and pop and be more realistic or however artistic you want it to be. While watching the presentation today, I had several moments where I just went, wow. It was definitely when it was talking about the new technology, the new sensor that DJI put in, as well as the color and what you can get out of that 1-inch sensor. So if you can't tell, that is what I would be leaning towards if I were to buy one. I have a Mavic, but currently I don't feel like I need to upgrade yet, but when I do feel the need, I will. I know a lot of people have already bought the drone because it is available right now through DJI as well as different retailers. And the reason why the event was pushed from July 18th to today, August 23rd, was so that they can manufacture more of these units for you guys, mainly because when they released the original Mavic, they had a hard time keeping the stock. If you're interested, it is still available and they are shipping right now. Several people in the drone group in New York have already bought it and they have shipping notices already. And it's not even 12 hours yet. Like, it is 9 o'clock right now and people are getting shipping notices. Even with all of these options, it is still a very beginner drone. I say that because it is a DJI drone. They make everything user friendly. I tried the dolly zoom on the Mavic Zoom and I have to tell you, it is so easy to use. All you have to do is select the quick shot, the dolly zoom option, and then just take your finger and drag it across the screen and it does the rest. Right now we would have to manually go into software to edit it, but this does everything for you and it makes it so easy. It even suggests points of interest for you when you're using the dolly zoom quick shot. If you're just flying around, you can actually use the app and see what might be a very interesting subject for you to use that quick shot on. Another thing that I really like what DJI did was that they priced everything so competitively. I thought that the drones were actually going to be a little more than what they are. For example, the most expensive is the Mavic 2 Pro, the Fly More kit combo, and that price is $1,759. I thought that would be more along the lines of $1,900 to $2,000, mainly because it's a Hasselblad sensor. It's 1 inch and there's so much technology that's packed into this drone, and they priced it so competitively, and a lot more people would be able to get their hands on this kind of technology. And I believe this is due to competition. So you have the Parrot Anafi as well as the Autel Evo, and they just want to make sure that they are on top of their game and they're still #1 in the drone industry. Overall, I'm excited with these two drones and I can't wait to see what people do with the two different versions. I love to watch YouTube videos as well as go through Instagram, so I am pretty sure that as time goes on, I would see more and more photos and videos taken with these two pretty cool new drones. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek into what the event looks like, as well as what was in the swag box, as well as what I thought about this whole thing. As I mentioned, DJI link down below. Also guys, don't forget that I'm running a giveaway. The giveaway link is going to be down below. I am giving away a hat with a silhouette of a drone. The drone choices are the Mavic Air, Phantom Series, Inspire, as well as the 3DR Solo. So if you guys are interested, check out the link in the description. I am going to be pulling a winner tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to be pulling a winner for the hat. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys when I pull the winner for my 500 subscriber giveaway.